guys, today I got a special type of review. These are Montreal bagels, and they actually ship it out to a local place here, and I got a couple to try and take a look. So as you can see, they're Montreal. These are famous Montreal bagels apparently. So now keep in mind, I'm not a bagel connoisseur. I don't know bagels, but apparently these are really good. So here's the front, and these are rosemary and sea salt. So I'm not a big bread person, but now these are frozen. They do come frozen because it's shipped out. So there's the ingredients. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. And there's the nutrient panel. So we'll do a quick taste test, see if these things were actually any good. So be right back. Okay, so here's the bagel all done. As you can see, it's got a nice little glaze on it, and it's crispy. It just warmed up in the air fryer. And let's cut it open. Okay, so there you go. Cut it open. As you can see, it's really dense. It's a really dense bagel. Let's rip that off. There it is. Really dense. It's good. It got crisp outside, and you can taste the rosemary. There's a rosemary piece right there. Yeah, it's nice. It tastes like a rosemary. Tastes like a bagel, but I think it's more dense. But like I said, I don't read a lot of bagels or anything, so I don't know what's good and what's bad, but pretty good. If you have any questions, comments, guys, please subscribe to the channel.